Hello and welcome back to your channel. Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine at home and you are doing your work. You are continuously doing your work or not? Please do it. Okay, don't let your work behind. So be in continuation. So what is today's topic? Today is a quadratic equation, the fourth chapter we are starting. So very first, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic, as previously also we have done, if the variable has power 2. Okay, so if the variable has power 2, highest power of the variable is 2, that is the quadratic equation. And general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is the general form of quadratic equation where a should not be 0. तो a को 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Other can be 0. तो इसका मतलब x square होना ही चाहिए. So that will be quadratic equation. In which equation there is no x square, so that is not a quadratic equation. Okay. So let us do. So this thing you just keep in mind where a should not be 0. A is not equals to 0. And general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Now let us start directly exercise 4.1. So we are starting exercise 4.1. So what is the question number 1? Check whether following are the quadratic equation. You have to check whether these are quadratic equation or not. So first part is x plus 1 whole square equals to 2 into x minus 3. So you have to solve it very first. So you will solve it. So a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2x equals to, multiply it inside, 2 into x, 2x plus 2 3s are 6. 2x to 2x cancel out. How? 2x, if you will bring it this side, the plus 2x will become minus 2x. Plus 2x minus 2x will cancel out. X square, bring it this side, plus 1 minus 6 is equals to 0. X square minus 5 equals to 0. So there is no x term. That means x term is not there. So it is a quadratic equation. Why? Because we can write it, x square should be there. X square plus 0 into x minus 5 equals to 0. So we can write it in this form. So we'll write, yes, it is a quadratic equation. Why? Because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, equals to 0. So it is an equation. So now we are doing the second part. X square minus 2x equals to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So x square minus 2x minus plus minus 2 3s are 6 minus minus plus 2x. Bring all this side. X square minus 2x plus 6. Bring this side minus 2x equals to 0. So x square 2x and 2x minus 4x minus 2x minus 2x minus minus plus 2 plus 2 4x plus 6 is equals to 0. Yes, this is a form of ax square plus bx plus c. So therefore as it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Clear? Okay, fine. Let us move to next part, that is part 3rd of first question. Okay. So what is third part? Some of the part I am doing in which is very easy, that I am leaving for you. You will do it yourself. Okay. You have to practice it yourself because these you have to only calculate. Third part. X minus 2 into x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So what you have to do? You have to solve it. You have to multiply it inside. X into x, x square plus x minus 2x minus plus minus 2x are 2 equals to x into x, x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Hope you knows how to multiply it. Okay. So x square to x square cancel out. All the terms you bring this side. X plus x minus 2x. Plus minus minus. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 is greater, so minus x. Minus 2. Plus minus minus. So 2x will left here. Okay. 2x will bring this side, so minus 2x. And this minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So now what we will do? Minus minus plus. So minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Now you can see there is a variable x, but x square is not there. So it is not of the form. The condition of the is a should not be 0, but here a is 0. Okay. So this is not a quadratic equation. As a equals to 0 in the equation, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Okay. So I told you this can be 0, this can be 0, but x square term should not be 0. Okay. So this is not a quadratic equation. Let me show you. Rest part you will do yourself. I am telling you 7th part. Okay. Let us see what is 7th part. X plus 2 whole cube is equals to 2x into x minus 1. Okay. So let us solve it. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. 3 into a into b into a plus b. X plus 2 equals to. Multiply it inside. 2 into x square x cube plus minus minus 2x. Okay. So now we can solve this. X cube plus 4 to the 8 plus 3 to the 6x into x plus 2 equals to 2x cube minus 2x. This also will solve it. X cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 6 to the 12x, bring it this side, minus 2x cube plus 2x equals to 0. Okay. X cube and x cube term we will solve, plus minus minus. So minus x cube is left. Then x square term only one is there, plus 6x square. Then x term, these two, plus 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 14x. Then constant, only 8 is equals to 0. So you can see the highest power of the variable is 3. So what equation it is? It is cubic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. If this is not there, so it is quadratic equation, but here cube is there. So we'll write it is a cubic equation. As highest power of variable is 3. Okay. So as highest power of variable is 3, so that is a cubic polynomial, equation. It is not a rest. Rest power and rest question you do yourself. Okay. We are moving to question number 2. So let us see what is question number 2. Question number 2 is your word problem. Okay. So whenever we are doing this type of problems, we have to take only one variable. This you should understand. Okay. So try to take only one variable. There should not be two variables. So as much as possible, you will take only one variable. If you are taking x, so in whole of the question take x only. Okay. See, question number 2. There are parts of question number 2. This is first part. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. So I am writing area of, what is given to you? Rectangular plot is 528 meter square. Okay. The length of a plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So see, if it is a rectangular plot, so the length of a plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So let the breadth is x. तो जो length है is 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth की 1 more than है. ठीक है. So हम क्या करेंगे? Let the breadth is equals to x. Therefore length is equals to 1 more than twice its breadth. So this is length and breadth of rectangular plot. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, what is the question number 2? Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. तो हमें इन सबको quadratic equation के form में represent करना है. That means we don't have to solve it. Only represent them in the form of quadratic equation. Okay. So what you have to do? Area दिया है, तो फिर इसको quadratic equation तो बनी नहीं है अभी. So इसमें रखो area, length into breadth. So we'll write therefore x into 2x plus 1. That means length into breadth we have 528 meter square. So breadth and into length is equals to 528. So multiply it inside. 2x square plus x equals to 528. So 2x square plus x, bring it this side, minus 528 equals to 0. So this is your quadratic equation. So in the question it is asked only to form a quadratic equation, no need to solve it. Now come to second part. Okay. Second part is the product of two consecutive positive integer is. तो पहले तो consecutive positive integer we can find. Let two consecutive क्या होता है? एक के बाद एक लगातार in continuation. तो जैसे 2 है and then 3. 2 and 3 are this. Let the two consecutive positive integer, ठीक है, नेगेटिव नहीं है, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स आर, अगर हम एक को x कहेंगे तो दूसरा क्या हो जाएगा x plus 1, उसमें 1 ऐड करेंगे तो these are the two consecutive positive integers. Okay, so now what they are saying, the product of two consecutive positive integers, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट according to question, x into x plus 1 is 306. The product of two consecutive integers is, we have to find the integers, so we have to represent that in the form of quadratic equation. So x square, multiply it inside, plus x, bring this side, minus 306 is equals to 0. This is your quadratic equation of second question. Okay, so now let us move to third part. They are very easy question. First exercise is very easy. You don't have to solve them. Only you have to represent in the form of quadratic equation. Okay. So now we are moving to third part. What is third part? Third part is Rohan's mother is. Okay. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages is 3 years from now. तो पहले तो दोनों की age consider कर ले. Let the age of Rohan and the Rohan's mother. ठीक है? So let the age of Rohan is equals to x and the age of his mother. Now we are reading the question. Let us see what is given to you. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. उससे 26 साल बड़ी है. So 26 years older than him. तो रोहन की एज से 26 बड़ी है. तो ये इनकी present age. Okay. So let the, I can write present age of Rohan and present age of his mother. Okay. Now what they are saying, the product of their ages 3 years from now. अब से 3 साल बाद तो दोनों की एज निकाल लो. 3 years from now, age of Rohan, how much it will be? x थी तो x plus 3 हो जाएगी and age of his mother तो कितनी हो जाएगी? x plus 26 है तो it will become 3 years older. तो कितनी हो जाएगी? x plus 29. तो this will be the age of mother, this will be the age of Rohan. तो 3 years from now. ठीक है. तो now I am writing according to question. Okay. So what they are saying, 3 years from now the product of their ages will be 360. तो इन दोनों का product of their ages will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's percentage. मतलब इससे हमें quadratic equation निकालनी है. Now you can multiply it inside. X into x, x squared plus 29x plus 3x plus 9 3 is 27 plus 7 carry over 2 3 2 is 6 7 8. अब 360 को इधर ले आओ, minus 360 equals to 0. Solve it. X square इन दोनों को ऐड करो plus 29 30 31 32 x minus में आएगा because this is greater. 10 minus 7 3, this is 7 and this will become 2. 273 equals to 0. So this is your quadratic equation of third part. Okay. So now let us move to fourth part. Okay. So whatever is given in your question, you have to do the same thing. You are asked to form a quadratic equation only. Okay. So represent them in the form of quadratic equation. So we have represented. So now the fourth part. Fourth part is a train travels a distance of 480 kilometer. तो मतलब यहाँ से train travel कर रही है. This is 480 kilometer. Okay. A train travels a distance of 400 kilometer, 80 kilometer at uniform speed. तो मान लेते हैं uniform speed is u. ठीक है. If the speed has been 8 किलोमीटर लेस, अगर ये स्पीड 8 किलोमीटर लेस हो जाए तो स्पीड हम x भी मान सकते हैं. चलो x मान लो क्योंकि वेरिएबल x इज, तो अगर ये स्पीड 8 किलोमीटर कम हो जाए, ठीक है, ये केस 1 है. इफ द स्पीड इज 8 किलोमीटर लेस, इट वुड हैव टेक 3 hours मोर टू कवर द सेम डिस्टेंस. तो यहाँ मान लो ये t टाइम ले रहा है, तो ये कितना लेगा, 3 hours मोर लेगा. ठीक है. अगर स्पीड कम हो जाएगी तो टाइम ज़्यादा लेगा ना. तो अगर स्पीड इज 8 किलोमीटर लेस, इट वुड हैव टेक 3 hours मोर. ओके. टू कवर द सेम डिस्टेंस. वी नीड टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन. ठीक है. सो हमें स्पीड निकालनी है, मतलब x निकालनी है, x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. तो नाउ यू नोज कि टाइम है ना, टाइम ज़्यादा ले रहा है, तो यहाँ से टाइम निकाल लो. व्हाट इज द टाइम? स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम होता है, तो टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. ठीक है. टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन, पहले तो टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन है, तो कितना हो जाएगा, डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड 480 अपॉन स्पीड है x. ये हो गई इक्वेशन नंबर 1. ठीक है. फिर व्हेन द स्पीड इन सेकेंड केस, टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन कितना हो गया, सेम डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. तो डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा, 480 अपॉन स्पीड हो जाएगी x माइनस 8. ओके. तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो होगा वो इसका 3 टाइम्स है. इसका मतलब क्या होगा, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन जो ये टाइम टेकन है, मतलब 480 अपॉन x माइनस 8 टाइम टेकन है, जो पहले का टाइम टेकन है 480 अपॉन x, इस टाइम टेकन से 3 ज़्यादा है, 3 hours ज़्यादा है. ओके. सो दैट मीन्स यू नोस अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन टाइम टेकन बाय ट्रेन इन दिस, जितना भी टाइम टेकन है, is 3 hours more than the time taken by the when it is going by uniform speed. ठीक है. It is clear. तो इसमें 3 hours ऐड कर देंगे तब इसके बराबर टाइम हो जाए. ओके. तो नाउ जितना टाइम ये है, समझे, 3 टाइम्स जितना टाइम ये ले रहे हैं, अगर मैं इसमें 3 hours ऐड कर दूं तब ये दोनों बराबर हो जाएंगे ना. तो 3 टाइम्स ऐड कर दिया तो ये दोनों बराबर हो गए. ओके. सो नाउ we have to solve it. We have to form a quadratic equation. Bring it this side. 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x equals to 3. LCM x into x minus 8. अब x minus 8 को x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो विल बाय, तो ऊपर भी x से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 480 into x minus, अभी x है तो इसको x minus 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो ऊपर भी x minus 8 से. 480 into x minus 8 equals to 3. Okay, solve it. 480x minus 480x plus 480 into 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 8s are 64 का 4 carry over 1. 32. 32 are 6. 38. Okay. Equals to 3 into this. So 3 into x minus 8. ये cross multiply करके यहाँ कर लो. ठीक है. So we will get 480x. ये दोनों cancel out. ठीक है. So we'll get 3840 equals to 3x square minus 8 is 24x. इसको उधर ले आओ. So 3x square minus 24x minus 340 equals to इधर क्या बचा 0. Okay. So 8 9 10 11 12 13 So 8 15. ये सब 3 से डिवाइड हो जा रहा है. We can make it simplify. We can simplify it. So सबको 3 से डिवाइड कर दो. x square 3 is 24x minus 3 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 is 24, 0 equals to 0. So this is your quadratic equation for this. Okay. So this is exercise 4.1. Hope you are practicing at home. Okay. Don't cheat us. Please practice. Don't cheat yourself, because if you are not practicing, you are cheating yourself. Okay. So do practice. And before that, press the like button and bell icon. Thank you very much. We will meet in next video.